Alright guys, so I just started making a catch can for the hatch. I'm making it out of this aluminum here. I'm trying to shape it to fit right there. And then I've just been tracing it out with cardboard, then cutting the aluminum and then welding it together. Still have to make a top for it. And then I have to figure out like some kind of baffle so the oil just doesn't spray out the breather, and then that's going to connect to the valve cover with -10 fittings. And then I have like a breather and then some of the fittings, weld on aluminum fittings. And then I also have this 4-inch intercooler piping, and I'm going to be trying to make something work to run a filter right here. Gonna try and pie cut it and then try to get it really tight, because I might have to trim this part of this core support so it'll fit, and then just run a filter up there so I'm not sucking in stuff in the turbo. We're gonna keep moving forward. So I just bandsawed this top. We're going to be adding some baffles in there. I'm really not sure what yet, but I'll probably have the feeds coming in here, and then something to block so the oil can come down in and then have to come all the way up to the breather. And so, yeah, let's get to it. So continuing on the catch can, I just went ahead and welded the -10 AN fitting on, and then I am making this plate here. This is going to go in here like that. And my plan was I welded that piece on there so that the oil could come in through the lines, bounce off that plate here, go down, and then have to come all the way up, out, and then put the breathers here. So it's gonna have to come in, hit the plate, go down, all the way up, and then out the filters. That way it traps most of the oil in the bottom, which I have a drain bung in the bottom, so I'm gonna have to get a drain fitting, welded that in. So yep, it's coming along. I'm gonna get that welded in there, and then I have to weld the top on, which is right here, and then weld these little fittings so I can mount my filters on. So we're gonna keep going. So here's a look at the inside before I weld the top on. Top right here. Here's the inside. And I have it to where when it's in the car, it is slanted down so it will drain the oil if it does get up that high. So yep, I'm going to go ahead and clean this up and then weld the top off. And then all we got to do is drill the 2 holes and put the breathers on. Alright guys, so I got the top welded on, and then I went ahead and drilled these 2 holes for the fittings for the breathers. I accidentally ordered 1/2 inch and 1/3, but it should work. Have these breathers here, and then so yeah, here's a look at it so far. Gonna get these welded on, and then we'll be all done. So I just got the catch can installed in the car with the breathers on. Give you a look at it. I did have to mount them right here. I was planning on mounting them right here, but I realized that when I would close the hood, it would hit the top of these breathers. So that's something to keep in mind if you are going to make one. So I just ended up going right there, because I don't know if you can see, but this kind of tapers, so they are on a little bit of an angle, but it looks really good with the braided lines. -10. So yeah guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. Got the catch can installed with the braided lines. Next video I'm probably going to be making an intake with a filter for the turbo. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe and comment things you suggest on the build. And peace.